Hello guys. Recently, many leaks have spread on Samsung S21 series phones, but in this video we talk about the most powerful of them, which is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. First, we start with the screen. They will measure 6.8 inches. The images show some bevel in the front glass. The frame is metal and the back is glass. The dynamic AMOLED 2X display have 2K plus, which is 1440p plus resolution 20 by 9, and Samsung will stick with the 120Hz refresh rate, and it will be super bright and peak brightness up to 1600 nits and will be guided by Corning Gorilla Glass. Second, the cameras. Ultra model is getting the best gear. The main camera have a 108 megapixel sensor Gen 2 with OIS, which is optical image stabilization. Then there is the 12 megapixel ultra wide model with PDAF and 120 degree FOV. Ultra will have two telephoto cameras with 10 megapixel sensor. Selfie camera will have a 40 megapixel sensor with autofocus. As for video, the rear camera will record up to 8K 30fps and 4K 60fps and Full HD 240fps options. The selfie camera will record 4K 60fps. Third, the internal specifications. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 2100 chipset globally. The Snapdragon 888 in China and Korea and USA. RAM capacity starts from 12 to 16 GB. The storage space from 128 GB and 256 GB to 512 GB. And remember that all the S20 series doesn't support the micro SD card. And the phone comes with Android 11 with Samsung UI, which is One UI 3. The phone is equipped with USB Type-C charging port and 5000 mAh battery with 25 fast charging and 15 watt fast wireless charging. And the S21 Ultra comes with the fingerprint and the display ultrasonic and the S Pen, and the phone supports IP68 water and dust resistance up to 1.5 meter for half hour. The sad news is that Samsung is imitating Apple because it will remove the charger and the headphones, and for this you have to buy them separately from the box. The prices maybe start from €1400 for 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers, and don't forget to activate the notification button to receive all new ones. Peace.